Hey yo, what I'm doing here, DIYers, is I'm resheeting this toilet wall because the owners are changing the toilets. So it all has to be replumbed, which it has been. There's 3 of them in the house. 3 toilets. Oh, it's not very straight, that one. Let's turn it around. There's 3 toilets, so they're changing the 3 of them. That silicone there is the silicone in a sausage in bulk. That's good stuff. When that dries, that won't be going anywhere. So I'm framing this in aluminium, and we're laughing. I've done the one upstairs. I've tiled it already. This I'm getting ready now, so I've got to prime my wall, and then I'm home and hose. I'm away laughing. Then the new toilet will go in, which is this. It's higher, it covers all that. Brilliant. It's good. And I'm doing all this in a Mosaic, similar to what's up there, but way different, but similar. way different, but similar. When that dries by the morning, you'll never pull it off. Never, ever, ever in 100 years. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'm going to get my centre line. I'm using mastic, so I'll hang my tiles. I'll show you when I do it. I'll be working down. Okay, see you soon. Bye.